If you're looking for a projector that can handle anything from bright offices to large meeting rooms without struggling, the Sony VPL-PHZ51 is definitely worth a look. This is a professional-grade laser projector built to deliver high brightness and reliable performance in environments where most projectors simply can't compete. At 5,300 lumens, it's powerful enough to cut through ambient light and still produce a sharp, vivid image. That's the kind of brightness that changes the way you use a projector, letting you see everything clearly even with lights on. The design is straightforward and functional, with a clean white exterior that blends seamlessly into professional or educational settings. It's not flashy, but that's intentional. This is built for durability and long-term use, and the build quality reflects that. It's solid without being overly bulky, which is important when you're thinking about installation options like ceiling mounting or placing it on a shelf. Resolution-wise, the VPL-PHZ51 comes in WUXGA, which is 1920 by 1200 pixels. That extra vertical space over standard 1080p makes a real difference, especially when you're displaying spreadsheets, presentations, or detailed charts. Everything feels sharper, cleaner, and more readable. When you combine that with the 5,300 lumen brightness, the image is not only visible but also crisp and vibrant in almost any room. Color reproduction is another area where this projector stands out. It avoids oversaturation and keeps colors natural and accurate. Skin tones look real, whites stay neutral, and blacks maintain enough depth to avoid looking washed out, even at high brightness levels. That's thanks to the laser light source, which doesn't just provide consistent brightness but also ensures the colors remain stable over time. Unlike traditional lamp projectors, you're not dealing with diminishing brightness as the lamp ages. One of the biggest advantages of this model is its laser light source. Rated for up to 20,000 hours, it drastically reduces maintenance concerns. No lamp replacements, no waiting for warm-up or cool down. You turn it on, it's ready, and it stays consistent day after day. That reliability is a huge benefit for offices, classrooms, and spaces that need a projector ready at a moment's notice. Flexibility during installation is another strong point. The projector supports vertical and horizontal lens shift, keystone correction, and zoom adjustment. That means you can position it almost anywhere and still get a perfectly aligned image. Ceiling mounts, wall shelves, or even temporary table setups can all work without much hassle. This makes it extremely versatile for different environments. Connectivity options are thorough. HDMI, HD-Base-T, USB, and network control all come standard, so you can easily plug in laptops, streaming devices, or integrate it into more complex AV systems. The VPL-PHZ51 is clearly designed with both professional and high-end use cases in mind. It's not just a standalone projector. It's a part of a flexible setup. Even though it's extremely bright, the projector manages power efficiently. You can use different brightness modes to save energy and extend the life of the laser while still getting excellent image quality. And while no projector this bright is completely silent, the fan noise remains relatively low and unobtrusive in most environments. Whether it's a classroom, meeting room, or home theater, this projector is ideal for environments that need consistent, bright, and accurate projection. From business presentations to educational spaces and even large home theaters, it's capable of handling all of it. Sports, movies, and slideshows all look great because the colors and brightness work together seamlessly. You don't have to fight with the projector or adjust lighting conditions constantly. Portability isn't its strong suit, but that's not what this device is designed for. It's meant for fixed installations where performance and longevity are top priorities. Once installed, it reliably delivers exceptional brightness and image quality day in and day out. Overall, the Sony VPL-PHZ51 delivers exactly what a high-performance projector should. High brightness, accurate colors, low maintenance, and flexible installation options. It doesn't try to be flashy or gimmicky. It focuses on doing the essentials right, and it excels at every one of them. For anyone who needs a projector that performs consistently in bright rooms and professional settings, this is a strong choice. If you're ready to upgrade your setup and want the best performance without compromise, check the link in the description below for the latest price and availability.